Com check, we're live.
I pushed hard in the earliest meetings I had where Tom Cruise, J.J. Abrams, and I went to Paramount to discuss what we wanted to do with this movie. And I pitched the idea of shooting several sequences in IMAX. For me, the most immersive experience is actually filming in IMAX because the detail and the clarity is just unparalleled. We have about 25 minutes of the film that is that way, maybe slightly less than The Dark Knight, which is the last film that really shot extensively in IMAX.
Okay, now remember, blue is glue.
And when it's red?
Dead.
We were just showing people snippets of the film. And people are getting vertigo because the screens are so big that they actually feel like they're going to tumble into them. And that's the kind of stuff you live for as a filmmaker because it's an experiential medium. So the more you can make it like a dream and like reality, but you know, a dream-like version of reality, that's what you're going for. You want to sweep people away and take them somewhere.
You're not gonna make it!
You're not helping.
I love showmanship, and I wanted all the first people that saw this movie to see it at its best. So we are opening in IMAX on December 16th, 5 days before it opens wide. That way, all the first people that see this film will see it at its very best. So I just wanted to, like, break out the showmanship, you know what I mean?
So what happens now? Your mission, should you choose to accept it.